Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own sound or music to TikTok. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our TikTok application and I'm going to create a new post on TikTok. Click on this plus button and here you have to click on this add sound option, this one. Okay, and if we want to add our own music or our own sound, we can click on ear sounds right here and you can click on import local sound, or you can also import sound from your video. And here I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to import a sound from my device. Okay, and just wait for a moment. All right, and those are the sounds from my device, and I'm gonna go with for example this one. Click on the sound you would like to add to your TikTok. You can select multiple sounds like this. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on import sounds. Alright, and now the sounds have been imported to TikTok, and if we want to use it, we just need to click on the sound like this, and you can click on this check mark, and now the sound has been added to my post. And here you can upload a photo or video from your device, or you can also take a photo or video by TikTok camera by clicking on this button. And I guess that's how we can add our own sound to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.